What if I told you that you can create videos like these in just one click, or if not, a couple of clicks, but nothing more than that? These highly realistic videos were created using the FaceSwap feature in Higgsfield AI platform. As I found it a bit hard to believe, I gave it a go myself to see how good Higgsfield FaceSwap feature is. So in this video, I'm going to explain exactly the steps I followed to swap the face and create an animated video, all in less than 10 minutes. So let's get started. So to get started, I'm going to hit higgsfield.ai, and under images, I'm going to go to FaceSwap. We can see that this screen pops up, and at the bottom left, we have got FaceSwap. If I click on that, by default, it says Higgsfield FaceSwap. If we choose that, or if we try to do something else, it'll ask us to log in. So I'm going to log in first. So I have continued with my Google account, and on the top right, you can see that I've now logged in. So by default, it's in Higgsfield Soul, but if we click on the bottom left, switch to Higgsfield FaceSwap, now we can see that we can upload two photos. So one is your photo, where we can actually upload the face of the person we need to swap, and there's a target image in which the face has to go into. These are the two example images I've taken. So I'm going to take the face of this person on the left, and I'm going to swap it with the face of this child on the right. And then we're going to animate the image that we are creating as a result of that. So I've chosen the photo on the left, and I'm going to choose the photo of the child with the dog, and I have chosen the photo of the child with the dog as the target image, and I'm going to click on generate. It started generating now. Initially, we can see that we just a bunch of noise there, but it's in the queue and it's getting processed. So let's find out how the result looks once that is done. And it is done, and this is the resulting image that we have got. So we can see that it preserves the hairstyle of the child, and it just has swapped the face, and clearly it has ignored the dog, and it has preserved the dog as such without doing anything. So I'm going to download this image now, and I'm going to animate this one to create a video. So what I'm going to do now is go back here and then click here to download the image. So I have downloaded the image now. And note that if you want to actually enhance the resolution of this image, there are some options there under image upscale, where you can enhance the resolution of the image, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go to video, and under that, we can see that there are quite a few options there, but I'm interested in actually creating a video. So to create the animated video, we go under video, create. We can see that there are a lot of mix options available. There are new ones, there are trending ones, and we even have animation specific for the models. For example, with Sora, there's this one, and with VO 3.1, there's there. And even for Halloween, this is like something seasonal. We have, the bloody eyes, we have mummy, we have zombie decay, and all sorts of Halloween stuff. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to upload the image that we have just generated, because if you look here, there's the option to upload an image, or we can generate an image. But in our case, we have already generated the image. So I'm just going to click on upload image, and I'm going to upload the image that we want to animate. So I have now uploaded the image that I want to upload. And we can now give a simple prompt, nothing sophisticated, just give a simple prompt, and we can also turn on or off enhance. I would leave the enhance on, because even a simple prompt will be enhanced to a professional level prompt. So because the enhance is on, I'm just going to say that girl turns and kisses the dog, then cuddles it. We're only going to generate 5-second video, so that this prompt should be enough to create that action. And for the model, we have a few options there. So we have Higgsfield specific models, and we have the light, standard, and turbo. By default, the standard one is chosen. And we also have minimal halo, and we have a few options there. We have the fast model, or we have the minimal halo. And we also have the third-party models such as OpenAI Sora and Google Veo, WAN models, Kling model, and Cedence model. So I'm just going to stick with Higgsfield standard model. and I'm going to choose the animation. Now, because we have given a prompt, I'm just going to straight away go ahead and click on generate. So while that video is in progress, I wanted to show you the prompt that has been enhanced basically. So we can see that this is the enhanced prompt that's been running in the background. As the girl turns with a bright smile, the camera seamlessly glides in from the left, capturing her joy and affection. She leans down to plant a gentle kiss on her dog's forehead, showcasing their bond. The Steadicam circles softly around them, revealing the cozy sunlit room filled with warm colors and inviting textures. And it's a pretty long prompt. So that's all been possible because we had the enhance option on. So while I spoke about that, the video has just been generated and I'm going to just play it for you. There you go. That's precisely what we wanted. And we have it. So I'm going to play it again for you. So the girl turns, kisses the dog, and then gives a cuddle. So that's all been done and dusted just by one simple prompt and with a few clicks. That's exactly what I wanted to show to you guys today. I hope you find the time to play around with the Higgsfield AI platform, and I'm just scratching the surface here. There are quite a few options. For example, there's visual effects you can create, video enhancement that you can do, you can draw to video, and you can sketch to video, and you can even upscale videos. There's a recast studio option, and there's a lot in terms of the models as well. So try it out and leave a comment in the video, and I will see you in my next one. Take care.